There it is. Went in the wrong hole. Big plastic nut stopping me. You know if that lighter works anyway. I can get them all up here, but check out all the open wires. And if you guys can see that one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big ones, 8 counting this little one. You'd think them things would come with caps. That one right there, that's already, I don't know if that's a live wire. Well, maybe not. That's already, it turned green. Don't want to see that, but I'm going to test some of them before I put it back, see what's what. Or see if I can tell what's what. And there's a little device down here. I have no clue what it is, but so this thing must be wired for, because it had a lot of wires down in the floorboard, and it's got a couple back here, a few over here. So this thing must be wired for full cab and different options and kinds of stuff. All right, well, I'm going to clean this out down here, and I'm going to test a few wires, see what's, I might throw a, well, I got this part, I might clean it up, throw a switch in there. I've got 2 lights out there on the other side or up there in the attic. Might stick 2 lights on it. This thing got hot wires there, I just need to fish through this tube. Keep looking, might be some wires in that tube. Actually, it looks like it would go in right there and up and around, come out, hide them pretty good, but I don't know. I'm going to test a few wires here, so, and I'm going to clean that up. Okay, I just got out here in the garage pretty late, but I got the new lights in for the Wacker Neuson Easy 28 excavator. I'm going to put a couple lights on the front of it, and I've got one extra upstairs. I'm going to put one on the back of it. I'm going to try to at least get this wiring harness built tonight. Shouldn't take me long, pretty quick, pretty short run too. So try to get it built and get some lights on this thing, hopefully maybe by tomorrow. All right, then we'll get started. So this blue, I'm going to use blue for the rear light, and which of course I'm going to run a ground up to it, and I'll just take a red one up to the front lights. So I get up there towards the back top side of the cab, I take this ground and I will just split it off 2 ways. Machine probably ground is good enough, but I'm going to just go ahead and run a wire. This wire run through the roll bar and stuff, but where it's showing, I'll put that wrap on there to help protect it and kind of keeps everything a little tidy, neat. So I'm probably getting close to the top of the cab here, so I'll do a little measuring. Got the wiring harness kind of made up here. I think I can pull it right through that roll bar without running the snake through there, but I'm going to try it and see. I think it's going to be much of a problem. gonna take me a few minutes here to get this made up. This relay. I found wasn't relay I was expecting, but I found a small relay here. I think that's all I need for them LED lights anyway. Up there in the top of the barn, so which is good. Because there for a minute I thought I was gonna have to go buy something. But it'd take me a few here to make all this up. And it's cooling down out here in the garage pretty quick. I usually keep the garage about 40, between 45 and 50, I guess, when I'm not in it. So it's getting awful close to there now, so I wasn't really wanting to fire everything back up. I was going to show you guys how I do this, because I don't really, I like wiring, actually, this type of wiring, but I always make my wiring harness stuff like this, but always got no battery laying around, but I can always get it set up there. So that way I know I got it hooked up right. So I just start taking apart, put the ends on it, get it all gathered up as I want it. Makes it pretty simple for me. I don't have to second guess myself all the time. I got one more to make here, but that's the little harness. This goes light. That's power and ground. I think that's probably in the top 10 of the ugliest harness I've ever made. Kind of ugly. Not very flexible. Alright, I pulled some black tape off of this, but have you guys ever just made something so bad you wish you just started over on that? I mean, it works, but my gosh, I got stuff running everywhere. Hey, red light, blue light. See, that was simple. I don't know what I did this morning. I don't know. They both look the same, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. That's it. 2 of them made up. And I could probably just went in there and bought 2 switches and 2 relays. That wouldn't have been no fun. 3 grounds and a relay. And the relay, I'm not sure what it goes to. It was on here. So one more and it should be tight or stripped out. And hopefully it's tight. Alright. So everything's grounded. And the wire going up's grounded. White is ground up there. So I'm going to check and see if we can get power up there before we go too much farther. There's the switches. I gotta mess with it. That's just my nature. I like how it's setting, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, that works. Yeah, that one's on. All right, so you're gonna wire up the back light here. It's actually the next day. It's ain't turned on, but. No. This is the extra light I had off my truck. I'm gonna put on the back. It's a little bigger one. I broke that one a few years ago on my truck and ordered 2 more. And took the other old one off and put 2 new ones on it. That's in 9 lights too. Them are really, I like them lights. They're cheap. I mean, I can't remember, like 15, 18 bucks for 2 of those. And you can buy a whole box of them really cheap. And I've had really good luck with them. got the back light up on the excavator, and it dressed up there pretty nice. And inside of it, so front lights here, bracket. I got a punch a hole here and put one over here, but hopefully this is what it's gonna look like. I thought about making a bracket to bolt on these two, but I already got those brackets. All I gotta do is drill a hole, so no big deal. I got this made up over on the bench. So all I gotta do is get it weaved to the hole. And I've got a piece of wire. There's a track through there. So I got a piece of wire right here that I'll fish through there. And I'll tie on this and pull this over to the other light. I want to show you guys something so you can see this. See how that one's like a brass, I guess, and this one's silver. Pretty much, to me, all electrical I do, brass is always the power, and that's the ground or neutral, I guess what you call it. But I spent 5 minutes here trying to figure out why this thing wouldn't power up. But I found this here in the garage. I don't go upstairs to find a plug, but I'll show you here what I'm talking about. See, you'd think that that would be the hot side. Flip this around. And this would be the ground. And everything is wired like that, as far as I knew. So I couldn't get this thing to power up. And finally, I read the directions. I don't know if you can see it, but that one right there is power, and that one is ground, which is weird, but I don't know. Thought I'd share it with you because I just spent a little bit of time trying to figure that out, and I guess that's what I get for not looking at the directions first. But didn't think I had to look at directions for 2 wires, but hey, it is what it is. That's in. Okay. Back light, front lights. So I put these on with them lights, so when I kick it on, it wasn't facing towards me. Kick them on so it's facing out, because them things, there's that green one right there, that thing is bright. So, and we got power point, 11.6 volts, which is battery getting low. Put that off, lights. All right, we're down to this, so. And that's on. I ain't gonna bolt it down yet till I get the armor in. Make sure. Get good, but. Alright, the hour meter on the Wacker. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of bad shape. You can barely read it what little I've had this thing running, but I've got a plan. Here's the, I don't know what these are, the sets, probably for different things, hours and, you know, all kinds of stuff probably. This one over here is missing. So I came up with a plan. I started out using an Allen wrench, and I couldn't find one 100% while I was wanting it. So I came up with the idea with the drill bit, because I can get it and almost fit that hole perfect. So I think I'm gonna cut that off, and I've got some heat shrink right here. I think I can put right around that dude. That's my plan. Not sure how good it's gonna go, but that's my plan for a minute. Huh. Quicker than I thought. Probably hot. Okay, nope. I guess it don't really matter if it don't work, comes apart. I mean, I ain't got nothing anyway, so maybe to buy some time I can find a little better type cap. Well, it's working. That stayed on there. Okay, that's on there. That's on there. I don't know how long it'll last. That. Okay. this thing together. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hope this maybe helps somebody. Give us a thumbs up if you like. Thanks for watching.